Body odor is more common than you might think. Over 90% of people experience it daily. It's a natural part of life, but understanding its causes and learning how to manage it can make a big difference in how we feel about ourselves and how we interact with others. In a world where social interactions are key, dealing with body odor can be a source of embarrassment or anxiety for many. Let's explore what causes body odor, the challenges people face, and how natural remedies might offer a solution. What is body odor and why is it important to address? Body odor, or BO, happens when sweat comes into contact with bacteria on the skin. While sweat itself is odorless, the bacteria break down proteins in the sweat, leading to a noticeable smell. But body odor goes beyond just biology. It can impact our social lives, self-esteem, and overall sense of well-being. Understanding why body odor occurs and how to manage it not only helps with confidence, but also promotes better hygiene and health. Socially, body odor can create awkward moments, affect relationships, and even lead to isolation for some. While deodorants are a go-to solution, more people are turning to natural remedies for a gentler, more holistic approach. The common challenges of body odor. For many, body odor presents several challenges that go beyond the simple need for a shower or deodorant. Emotional stress. Those who deal with persistent body odor often experience self-consciousness. They may worry that others are noticing their scent even after thorough efforts to stay fresh. This stress can lead to social anxiety or avoidance. Social awkwardness. Whether in the workplace, at school, or in casual social settings, body odor can make interactions uncomfortable. People may start to distance themselves physically or avoid situations where they might sweat. Frustration. For some individuals, body odor persists despite maintaining regular hygiene routines. This frustration can push people to experiment with a variety of products or remedies in search of something that works. The science behind body odor. At the core of body odor is the relationship between sweat and bacteria. Understanding this process can help us address it effectively. Sweat glands. Humans have two primary types of sweat glands, eccrine and apocrine. Eccrine glands are found all over the body and mainly produce water and salt to help regulate body temperature. Apocrine glands, located in areas like the underarms and groin, produce a thicker sweat that contains fats and proteins, which bacteria feed on, leading to a stronger odor. Bacteria. Our skin is home to a variety of bacteria. These bacteria are harmless, but when they break down the fats and proteins in sweat, they release smelly compounds. It's this interaction that causes body odor to become noticeable. Diet. What you eat plays a significant role in how you smell. Foods such as garlic, onions, and spices are known to intensify body odor. Diets high in processed foods can also affect your natural scent, while healthier, balanced diets may reduce odor. Genetics. Genetics influence many factors of our biology, including sweat production and how our bodies react to bacteria. Some individuals are more prone to body odor due to their genetic makeup. Can natural remedies help with body odor? Natural remedies are gaining popularity as people look for alternatives to traditional deodorants, which often contain chemicals like aluminum. Many natural ingredients have been found to have antibacterial or odor-neutralizing properties that may help manage body odor. Here are some that have shown promising results. 1. Apple cider vinegar. This household staple is believed to help balance the skin's pH, making it harder for odor-causing bacteria to thrive. Applying diluted apple cider vinegar to your underarms can help neutralize odor throughout the day. 2. Coconut oil. Known for its antibacterial properties, coconut oil can serve as a natural deodorant. Its antimicrobial benefits help reduce the bacteria responsible for body odor while also moisturizing the skin. 3. Baking soda. This popular remedy works by neutralizing odors and absorbing sweat. Applying a light dusting of baking soda to clean underarms can help keep you dry and fresh. 4. Lemon juice. The natural acidity of lemons can help lower the pH of your skin, which makes it less appealing to bacteria. Applying a slice of lemon to your underarms, with caution as it may irritate sensitive skin, may help with odor. 5. Tea tree oil. With powerful antibacterial properties, tea tree oil is another effective natural remedy for fighting body odor. A small amount of diluted tea tree oil can be applied to the underarms to reduce bacteria growth. 6. Witch hazel. Acting as a natural astringent, witch hazel helps tighten skin and reduce sweating. By lowering the skin's pH, it also creates a less favorable environment for bacteria. Melinda's transformation. Melinda had been struggling with body odor for years. Despite trying various deodorants and hygiene routines, nothing seemed to work. The problem affected her confidence, and she often avoided social gatherings. After researching natural remedies, Melinda decided to experiment with coconut oil. She began applying a small amount of coconut oil to her underarms each morning. Within a few days, she noticed a significant improvement. Her body odor was much less noticeable, and she felt more confident stepping out in public. Melinda's experience highlights how natural remedies can offer relief when traditional products fail. Key takeaways. Body odor is a natural part of life, but understanding how to manage it can make a significant difference in your day-to-day confidence. By addressing the root causes, whether it's bacteria, diet, or lifestyle, you can reduce odor and feel more at ease. Body odor results from the breakdown of sweat by bacteria, and everyone experiences it differently. Diet, hygiene, and genetics play major roles in determining how noticeable body odor is. Natural remedies like apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, and tea tree oil offer alternatives to traditional deodorants and may help reduce odor effectively. Managing body odor requires attention to personal hygiene and internal factors like diet and hydration. Share your experience. Have you tried natural remedies to manage body odor? We'd love to hear your story. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going about the best ways to stay fresh naturally. Also, remember to check out another related video on personal hygiene tips for staying confident and odor-free all day long. Until the next one, stay informed, stay active, and most importantly, stay healthy.